Hi, I got some Happy Mail in my post office box, so I thought I'd open it and share it with all you. I do know that some or all of this comes from Heidi, so thank you in advance. So let's take a look at what we got. All right. So, I'm kind of excited. This is this side, and we shall see what it says. Oh, I love this. I love this. Frogs are awesome. I am awesome, therefore I am a frog. I love that. That's so me. Okay. I love that. That is so me. Very me. Frogs are awesome. Therefore, I'm a frog. And the next one. The next one. Who let the frogs out? I'm loving this. This is... Oh my gosh, you'd think they don't know who I am. You would think. Oh my gosh, you'd think they don't have a clue who Froggy is. Oh, I can't see. Okay, which one? Off to the cause. Tomfoolery. Oh my god, I love this. Do you know this is in my cart? I love this one. Oh my gosh. This is brilliant. I love this. Oh my goodness. I'm having so much fun. I'm going to be wearing these shirts over the coming week. Oh, I love them. They're so cool. Not a clue what's in the next one. I have no clue. As you can tell, I'm opening them right now. On the camera. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. Oh, how beautiful. Look at that. That's beautiful. Look at the one down there eating the flies. Oh, I love... The many moods of Froggy. Feeling Froggy, like I said. The many moods of Froggy. Absolutely. It's got all my moods on there. And look, it's perfect. I'll be able to stick my straw down in there. Oh my gosh. It's got my name all over it. And we're on the last one. That is so perfect. That is... Oh my gosh, I love that. Oh, this has got more than one in it. Oh, and then there's a box. And then there's other stuff in the bag. Wow, there's all... Make sure the bag's empty. Oh, I love this. Oh, look. I love frogs, and it's a notebook. And you know what I do with notebooks? I write patterns in them. This is perfect. I love this. Oh my gosh, I love that. Oh, oh. I'm trying to open it quickly, and it's not working. Come on, Froggy, get it open. I love this. Ah, come on, fingers. When in doubt, get scissors. There we go. I love this. Oh, this is beautiful. Look. Oh, I love this. Look at that. And it's got the pleated bottom. Oh, I love this. I'm going to start using it right away. Yes, it is a Notions pouch. I am so using that right away. That's gorgeous. I love that. And this is this is the only thing that'll get the hand knit socks off my feet. It is the only thing. Oh my God, I love them. They're so cool. That's the only thing that would get hand socks off my feet. I love that. I love that. This is so brilliant. Oh my gosh, I'm going to be smiling all day. People are going to be like, what are you up to? Be like, nothing. I ain't up to nothing. All right, let's get the tape cut. This is brilliant. Oh, there's styrofoam. Don't even know what it is. Gotta get the styrofoam out. Oh. Oh. Can't see in it. Anybody for a little leg? That is awesome. This is perfect. One, it's perfect for your rings. Two, it's also perfect, believe it or not, for scrunchies. But he's beautiful. Look at that. That's gorgeous. I'll even turn him around. Very, very gorgeous. I love that. He's going on my desk. He's going on my desk. Because he's perfect. Oh, and we still have one more. Oh my gosh, I feel so spoiled. I do. I am very spoiled. This is awesome. I don't even know what it is. I don't even know what it is. Oh, it's a bag. It's a bag. Oh my God. I love this. This is brilliant. Oh, loving it. Oh, my new bag. Look at that. It's got the strap. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, I love this. This is the same type of bag my son carried everywhere. I love the color. Lots of pockets on the sides. Look, it'll hold a laptop, which means it'll hold my iPad. I love that. Oh my gosh. I am seriously spoiled. Thank you so much. Mwah. I love it all. I am over the moon. Thank you. I really, I love everything. Now I'm going to go change my shirt. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.